Hello students, this is Sumit and today I am going to discuss the next exercise on fractions, that is exercise 6.4 from the book ML Aggarwal Mastering Mathematics class 6. So as we have discussed about like fractions from the last class, so let's use the further applications of fractions. The first question is show that the fractions 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6 and 8 by 6 on the number lines and replace them with appropriate symbol. So I have already drawn the number line, that is between 0 and 1. I have marked 6 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Further, then between 1 and 2, again I have marked 6 divisions. 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, so if I count from the beginning, this becomes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 by 6, which is equal to 1. So the marking is done. Now let's check the sign. 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6 because 5 by 6 is on the right side of the number line. Similarly, 2 by 6 is a fraction greater than 0, which we can already see from the number line. We can also compare the numerators of like fractions. Bigger the numerator, bigger is the fraction. So 4 by 6, so 6 is bigger than 4. So 6 by 6 is less than, 6 by 6 is greater than 4 by 6 because they are like fractions and have the same denominator. Then 8 by 6 and 5 by 6 also the same way, 8 by 6 is greater than 5 by 6. The next question is compare the fractions and replace with appropriate symbol. So they are also like fractions. So 3 is lesser than 5, so less than symbol. 2 by 7 and 2 by 5, here the numerators are same. So bigger the numerator, smaller is the denominator. Mark my words, bigger the numerator, smaller is the fraction. Bigger for the same numerator, bigger the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Suppose I have a number 1 by 7 and a number 1 by 5. So 1 divided into 7 equal parts and 1 divided into 5 equal parts. So 7 parts of that 1 will be smaller than 5 parts of the same 1, right? So 2 by 7 and 5 by 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7. Similarly, this is like fraction, same denominator. So 3 less than 4. Then 4 by 7 and 4 by 9. 4 by 7 is greater than 4 by 9 because smaller denominator, greater is the fraction for same numerators. The next question is replace by appropriate symbol. 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. Similar sum, 1 and 1. So bigger, smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. Number 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. Now, there's a trick here. 2 out of 4 is also equal to 1 by 2 and 3 out of 6 is also equal to, so 3 by 6 is also equal to 1 by 2 because 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So these two fractions are equal. We can also compare these fractions as I told you in the last class, 2 into 6 one pattern and 3 into 4 the other pattern, both equal to 12. So two fractions are equal to each other. 7 greater than 3, so 7 by 9 greater than 3 by 9. And now this is having different numerators as well as different denominators, but if I see I can reduce this as 1 by 4, so the two fractions are having the same denominator, so I can say 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4, right? Now coming to the next question, write the shaded portions as fractions. So total is 8, so out of 3 means 3 out of 8. This is also total 8 out and 6 parts are shaded. This is also out of 8. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are shaded here? 1 out of those 8 parts. Now the question is to arrange them in ascending order. So you understand very well. 1 by 8 is lesser than 3 by 8, is lesser than 4 by 8, lesser than 6 by 8. So this is the ascending order. Now this is out of 9 parts for each of these shaded regions. This is 8 by 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 9, 1, 2, 3, 3 by 9. This is 6 by 9. So the ascending order will be small to big, that is 3 by 9, lesser than 4 by 9, lesser than 6 by 9, lesser than 8 by 9. The next question is compare the following fractions. So we can easily do the comparison by making them like fractions. So uh, 45 is the LCM, 9 and 5, the LCM is 45. So I can just take the LCM this way, 5 into 5, and this becomes 4 into 9. So this is 25 comma 36. Both the denominators are 45. So I can easily see this is bigger. So lesser than symbol, 5 by 9 is smaller than. This is again the same way. So the LCM is 16 into 4, 9, because they are all co-prime. So 16 nines are 144. So we have 9 into 9 here, and we have 5 into 16 here. 9 nines are 81 by 144, and this is 80 by 144. 81 is greater, so this is the greater fraction. Coming to the next question, again you have to compare. Now while comparing, the easiest way, as I told you, 5 by 11 and 3 by 7, so I can do this cross multiply and see which is bigger number. 5 into 7, which is equal to 35, and 3 into 11, which is equal to 33. So 35 is greater, so greater number. Similarly, 8 fives are 40 and 15 threes are 45, so 40 is smaller, so lesser than symbol. Then 35 into 11, 35 into 11 is equal to 385, and 29 into 14. So if I do this multiplication, 29 and 14, 9 fours are 36, 3 carry, 9 4 twos are 8 plus 3 11, and this is 29. So I get 6, 0 and 4. So 406. So 406 is greater. Then the next is again 13 by 27 and 15 by 48. So 27 and 48, I can find the LCM, but I am using the shorter method, 13 into 48 and 15 into 27. So 1348 is that how much? 13 8s are 104. 4 written, 10 carry, 13 4s are 52 plus 10 is 62. And similarly, your 15 sevens are is 105. So 5 written, 10 carry, 15 twos are 30 plus 10 is 40. So 624 is greater. Now coming to the second last question of this exercise, uh, arrange in descending order. So we have to take the LCM for this arrangement. So let's find the LCM. 17, 9 and 12. So the LCM is, see, the shortcut is 9 and 12, the LCM is 36, because that's the least multiple which comes in both the table, but 17 is a prime number, so the LCM is 36 into 17. So I am writing 36 into 17 but not doing the multiplication, because I don't need to add, I just need to arrange. Now see, 17 divide, I get 36, so the first fraction is 5 into 36, the first part. The second is 9, so 4 left from here, and 17 into 4 is 68 into 4, so 4 into 68 is the second fraction. And then 12, so 3 into 17 51, 7 into 51, right? So if I multiply, I get 180 for the first one. This is 4 into 68, so 8 fours are 32, 3 carry, 24 plus 3 27, and this is 7 ones are 7, and 7 ones are 7, and 7 fives are 35. So we can easily see that since I don't need to, uh, find the addition answer, or simplification is not needed. I can easily see the ascending order is already mentioned here. So the descending order for this question will be 7 by 12, because 357 is greatest, then 4 by 9, and then 5 by 17. The next question is 12, 36, 72, the denominators. The LCM of these denominators are 72, because 72 is in each table. So I can easily see 72 being the LCM. So 72, 12, 6 times, 7 into 6. Then 72, how many times is 36? 2 times, so 11 into 2. And then 37 into 1. So this is 42, 22, 37. Each of them having denominator 72. So my descending order will be 7 by 12, then 37 by 72, then 11 by 36, right? Coming to the last question of this chapter is ascending order. So 8, 16 and 6. Let's find the LCM of this. 2, 4, 8, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, again 2, 1, 2, 3, again 2, 1, 1, 3, again this is 3. So 16 threes are 48 is the LCM. So doing the first part, 48 is the LCM, 6 sevens are 42, then 3 15s are, because 16 threes are 48, so 3 into 15, 15 into 3, then 8 fives are, so 5 into 8. So this is 42, 45 and 40. Ascending order, smallest to biggest. So 5 by 6 is the smallest corresponding to this number 40. Then we have the first term, that is 7 by 8, and then we have 15 by 16. The second part is 3 by 4, 22 and 33 are the denominators. So the LCM for this is, if you carefully notice, 66 is a number which is divisible by both. So 66 is the LCM of these two numbers, and 4 is not divisible, but 2 is a factor. So if I multiply this by 2, I get 132, which is actually the LCM. So 132, how many times in 4? It's 142 is 33 times. So 3 into 33. Then the next is 22, how many times in this 132? 6 times, I believe. Yes, so 15 into 6, and then we have 33 how many times? 4 times, so 26 into 4. So this is 99, this is 90, and 26 into 4 is 104. So ascending order will be 90 being the smallest. So ascending order will be 90 corresponds to the second fraction. Ascending order will be 15 by 22, then 3 by 4 I believe, and then 26 by 33. Okay, the last subpart is 12, 4, 12, 4, 8 and 6 being the denominators. So the LCM of these will be, 24. So this is, if I write this as denominator 24, this is 10 by 24, this is 6 by 24, this is 3 times in 8 3s are 24, so 21 by 24, and this is 4 6 are 24, so 4 5s are 20, 20 by 24. So what is the ascending order for this? Part 3 is 1 by 4, then 5 by 12, then we have 5 by 6, and then 7 by 8. So this is the answer. Now with this sum we come to the end of this exercise. Let's discuss the next exercise in the next video. Till then, if you have any doubts, please share the doubts with me in the comment section, and I will be back with other videos. Please like, subscribe and share so that I can make more videos, and this will help all. Thank you. Have a good day.